Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll be explaining you on how you can delete your PayPal business account permanently or just delete it. So yeah, this is really useful if you're switching payment methods, closing the business, or just cleaning up old accounts. So once you've logged into your PayPal account, what you will have to do is you will resolve any pending transactions since, of course, before deleting, PayPal requires zero balance, no pending payments, no unresolved disputes, and if you have funds, you make sure to transfer them first to another bank. So yeah, what you will have to do on your website is you will click your settings. So it should be on the top right corner of your screen once you've logged in. And then after that, you will just have to click close account, which is under the accounts options, and then you will just have to click close account. But if you're using the app version, then you will just have to tap your profile icon and then you will click close your account. And yeah, that's basically just how you do it. And I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.